So on this, again, I asked myself, am I adding or subtracting fractions? Am I?
Yes.
Yes. So I need a common denominator. But the first thing that I notice is like this, I want to change. That way it's just addition there. So that's what I do first. And then I factor everything. Like they're almost all the same right now, but not quite. I mean, if you think ahead, you could just factor out a v from this, and that's all you have to do.
Yeah.
Did anybody... I feel like if I do that, it'll confuse people. So I'm just going to factor everything. So I can factor out a 3v, and then I get v plus 2. And then plus negative v plus 1 over 3 times v plus 2. And now you can just see everything. V plus 2. So really the only thing that's missing is a v here. So I'd multiply this one by v. And a v here. So I'd multiply that one by v. We okay? And then I get, well, the denominators go away. And in the top I just have 1 plus negative v squared. Oh, that's minus then. Plus v equals v. And then subtract. Minus v minus v. So that now, hopefully, it should be easy. This is what some people messed up on. I do have that 1 over, I'm going to add v squared to both sides. Or, actually, I feel like this is more noticeable for people. 1 plus v, 1 minus v. Did we see that? It's a difference of squares. I'm going to do it a separate way in a minute. And then set this equal to 0. 1 plus v equals 0. V equals negative 1. 1 minus v equals 0. V equals positive 1. So those are my answers. But I do have to check. Does it make my denominator 0 at all?
No.
No, it does not. So those both work. What you could have done is just had 1, so like you could add v squared to both sides. And then 1 equals v squared. And then what? You guys remember?
And then b squared minus 1 equals...
No, I'm saying like here. What do you do here?
0 equals b squared minus 1.
And you write it the other way.
Oh, yeah.
Anytime you square root, though, that's why I didn't do this. Anytime you square root, you have to have plus or minus. And then the square root of 1 is 1. So v equals 1. V equals negative 1. Same answers, just in a different way.
That's great.
Would it be wrong if I just left it as v equals plus or minus 1, like this? Would it be wrong? The answer is no. That's the same thing. You're fine with that. That's good. It's just some people don't realize this is 2 answers. So I just write it explicitly so that they can see. But it is correct, and they're the same thing.